Welcome to the online viewing for 106 Doversley Road. This is a 3-bedroom detached property with a double garage to the rear. Okay, then moving inside, we have the hallway with stairs leading up to the first floor. We have 2 reception rooms, conservatory and the kitchen on the ground floor. Starting with the front reception room. A nice bay window facing towards the front aspect. And around to reception room 2. Which opens through to the conservatory. Lovely space overlooking the rear garden. And around to the kitchen. We have another door going out to the side of the property. The boiler also located in here. On to the first floor where we have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. We can go around to the front bedroom. And across to bedroom 3, also facing towards the front of the property. Across to the rear double bedroom, which also has fitted wardrobes. And into the bathroom, which has been fitted with a lovely modern suite. Just moving outside into the rear garden where we have the lawned section and planted beds leading down to the detached double garage, which has a door from the garden and then 2 up and over doors leading out to the access lane at the rear. Okay, and then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.